Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, 28th of September 2018. This is just my daily video where I go over what I've done on the daily charts this morning with regards to both the high probability and the mod MACD methods. A little bit of action this morning, so let's get into it. We'll start with the high probability. Fuck, mate. Now my mouse isn't working. No, it's... Oh, now it's working. Just lost it completely. No, it was the camera before. Where's that camera? Oh, button change. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing. Ready? Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday the 28th of September 2018. This is just my daily video where I go over what I've done this morning on the daily charts on both the high probability and the mod MACD methods. So let's have a look at the charts. We'll start with the high probability daily charts first up. Oz USD. This is about take 3 of my videos, hence I've already got rid of the I was in a buy trade back here on this green dot. I'd already closed out half already, and last night I was stopped out just in this level, just above this red line here. So overall small profit on the Oz USD buy, and I've now taken a sell trade this morning. It's basically a trend continuation trade. We've got lower highs on price and higher highs on the MACD platinum. So there's bearish divergence there, and as you can see, price has gone back to the 50, then rolling back over. So I've taken a sell this morning, so it's with the trend. That's a stop, the red dotted line there. That's Aussie USD. The Euro USD. This is a new sell trade this morning. We've got this sort of resistance level, this blue aqua line at the top here. Price has broken through this aqua trend line, red dot. Price has got up close to 240. Technically the trend's down, even though the MAs are flat. It's a little bit hard to see in here, but we've got regular bearish divergence. You can see higher highs on price and lower highs on the MACD platinum. Look, I'm not thinking this is an ideal setup, but the setup's there, so I'm taking the trade. That's Euro USD. It's a sell trade. Swiss franc Japanese yen, new sell trade taken this morning. High risk trade into the MAs. You can see the MAs are spreading and heading up, so we're looking for a reversal, at least bring a retracement, at least bring price back to the MAs. You can see divergence, bearish divergence there. Broken this trend line to the downside, red dot. Not a bad looking setup actually. Been waiting on it. So that's a Swiss franc Japanese yen. Probably hammering and banging. That's just the way it is around here. New Zealand USD took a new sell trade this morning. Again, it's similar. It was similar to the Aussie. We've got a lower high on price, higher high on the MACD platinum. So it's a trend continuation. Bearish divergence there, hidden bearish divergence. Price has come back to the close to the just through the 50 EMA, then slowing, heading down again. It's been going a little bit sideways, this pair, but it's a valid signal. Sell, stop and place, take the trade. New Zealand CAD in a buy here. Price has gone up. It's a high risk trade into the MAs, as you can tell. Price has gone up, touched the MAs. We've got JAGfx RD bearish there, the orange line, which is freely available to anyone that wants it. It's in the Facebook group in the files folder, custom indicators. So I closed half my buy trade this morning and brought my stop up nice and tight just above the point of entry there at 0.85854. So I can't lose anything on this. Taking a little bit of profit off the table, just reduced my risk. Looks like the MACD is rolling over, and that's New Zealand CAD. I'll just switch over to the Mod MACD, and we'll have a quick look at the FX Pro, the demo account that I'm using for this. You can see here it's got my exposure of what trades I've got open here, and this is also just a trade info account details. And over on this side on the right in the green, because it's good that it's green, it's not red, it means it's profitable. That today is at 565 profit dollars. That was half the NZ CAD trade close, so you can see that. And here's my trades this morning from this 28th. The blue line up, they're all the trades taken this morning, so they're not really setting the world on fire yet. As usual, what happens on the daily chart, normally things go against you a few pips before it cranks up. The details, margins are using 1,347, so we've still got 8,600 left in reserve. This is the number you got to watch, this percentage margin level. Ideally, you don't want that to get anywhere below 300%, so we're at 740% at the moment, which is okay. So not too bad. Let's switch over and have a look at these Mod MACD. A little bit of action here as I switch my notes. All right, what we do? NZ Japanese yen. I just closed another 0.01 this morning. It's going nowhere, and you can just see, if you can see here, you got that cross of the red dotted standard MACD and the fast MACD. It looks like we're losing momentum. The histogram is going down, the MACD is rolling over. So all I've done is reduce my risk again, close another third of this trade, still got 0.01 in play and the stops in place. So New Zealand Japanese yen, USD Swiss franc. I was in a sell back here and I have closed it this morning. That sell is no longer in play. The stop was here. We had a big move yesterday, and that I'm no longer in that sell. It's an overall profitable trade, which is great. And this morning I took a new buy trade. Look, I'm not signals all there. Look, the standard MACD's up, fast MACD's obviously got a confirmed cross. We've already had a green dot on the QMP all the way back here, closed above the 25 SMA. Meets all the criteria. My big concern is prices just jammed right up under that 240 LMA as when I took that trade. But I'm going to take a chance here and take that trade. So we've reversed basically from a sell into a buy on the USD Swiss franc. Aussie Japanese yen, similar to the New Zealand Japanese yen, just closed another 0.01 lot. Stop still down here. Look, the price has gone up, hit that 240 LMA, and it's really going sideways at the moment. We've got this cross here, losing momentum. Sounds like I'm repeating myself, but that's just the way it is. So we just closed another one, reducing overall risk. CAD Swiss franc. Took a buy, so you can ignore that, I'll change those notes. So I took a buy this morning. Was in a buy the other day on this green dot and closed it out when I got this red dot, which is basically just a confirmation of the fast MACD crossing the zero level. And this morning got a new confirmation to the buy side again. Standard MACD's in buy mode. Obviously got a fast MACD cross, got a green QMP dot here, closed above the 25 SMA. My concern is higher risk trade going into that 240 LMA. It's a valid signal, so we took the buy trade. And last one, pound New Zealand. In a buy back here, this morning we've got a confirmed cross to the downside on the fast MACD. So that buy, remaining buy, is closed out, no longer in play, so overall profit on that. Sell. Now, technically, that is a valid sell signal, but I'm not taking it. I just don't like the look of it at the moment, especially when I first looked at it this morning. Today's candle already shot up a fair bit. It's pulling back a little bit at the moment, so I may have a look on Monday. I may take it, but at the moment I'm not taking it, even though fast MACD's through the 0 level, just standard MACD's in sell mode, red QMP dot, so it meets enough criteria to take the sell, but I'm just holding off at the moment. I just don't like the look of it, and it's a pound pair at the moment. It's going all over the place. So we close at the sell. Sorry, close out the remaining buy for a profit, not taking the sell. That's a pound New Zealand. That's about it, guys. This is about the third time I tried to do this video this morning. I had a few dramas, technical issues, but it's all good. If you like these videos, please subscribe, or at least hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And like I said, in the YouTube channels, if you're not already a member, you're more than welcome to join the JAGfx Facebook group. It's a private group. There's a heap of other resources and that over there, and we call all these trades live, etc. in there. So we'll chat later. Enjoy your weekend all. Cheers.